Lieutenant General Kayanja Mahanga ari kuganiraho n'abanyamakuru mu Fortportal erizoba yajango bwa hati bakakiteekateekereho ku rw'omu eihanga eri.
The terrorist is always a terrorist. Some small groups will always come into our area to disturb the population here and there. So we are not yet fully done. We and the Congo army, we are doing a very, very good job.
Nobukirabe kiringa umuhanga najanga UPDF ebasize kutunga obuhanguzi bwingi omu rutaroru kandi kahwera n'abantu okugaruka mu maka gabo hakiruho ekyetengo ky'amahe kuguma mu eihanga eri okusya obw'okutebekana kurabereho kimwe.
Where the civilians now, the civilian population in Eastern DRC has gone back to their homes. They have gone back to their homes. Where you see some of the UN camps closing, we have seen that, especially in these areas of Chabi, after in Mboga, those areas of Maribong, Zunguruka, you know those areas when I mentioned them.
Okuba kwa mahega Uganda People's Defense Force mu Democratic Republic of Congo kutwire n'okugambisa abantu ebigambo bingi obwa bamwe bari kugira ngu gine kwihwayo aho naho. Ebigambo bya Mahanga nibyijaho bwanyuma yakire kake abibyo kwerinda baherize kurabura kwabazahambuki babire bamazire kutaho mu ihanga rya Uganda.
It may be true or it may not be true. That is now intelligence to to see and find out if this information is true. But whenever it happens, you know that the UPDF has been very quick to neutralize these small groups of terrorists that try to infiltrate the country.
Ogu okugambe ebi nobuyaba naiguraho eitagerisya erya Wazalendo Sako omu Fortportal.
In many of the operations we have been carrying out, many of the operations that I have commanded, fear, fighting. If you fight fear, you will succeed.
When we established this circle, we put up a vision. We put up a mission. We have our mandate.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.